Alright, so here it is. The KX80 I rebuilt off a treated salt spreader, and put a little bit into it. And this is what I came up with. I'm saying you're probably gonna be pretty happy, because I know I did. I didn't have something like this when I was here, and that's what makes it that much more enjoyable for me. So, 2000 KX80, a little bit of engine work. Let me tell you, it rips. It'll pull wheelies first and third. So, Merry Christmas, girl.